everyone, welcome back to my channel Bookholic. I'm pretty sure that you found today's tagline too much interesting. Yes, the video is going to be interesting too. So without wasting time, we should go to the video. But one second, have you subscribed my channel? Yet not? Please do. Okay, so now jump to the video. Today I'm going to talk about a mystery story that is Nancy Drew. It is a very easy read book and I recommend it especially for the beginners because it is written in very easy English that everyone can read very easily, and it will enhance your spoken English skills as it written in a very techie English language. Nancy Drew have 94 series in total. So today I'm going to talk about one of those series. This story has different plots. It's easy to read, but that doesn't mean there is any leak of mystery or any decrement of mystery is present there. That is as mysterious, as interesting as other mystery books you have read yet. The most important part is it has very interesting plots in every deep down. I mean, in every corner of the story, it has the different plots. It is actually a movie material, and we all know. I mean, those who know Nancy Drew, they knows maybe that there is many films about Nancy Drew is already made in the USA. So guys, it's time to tell you the gist of the story I'm talking about without giving you a spoiler. I'll try to not give you a spoiler, obviously. So those who know about Nancy Drew already, those who read about Nancy Drew, they knew, but those who are not, for them I am telling the who is Nancy Drew. I'm telling name case, okay? So Nancy, Bass and George, three are the best friends. So Nancy is a mystery lover, and she solved too many great cases of USA herself. So her father is also a very well-known person in USA police and detectives and all. He's a very famous person. Okay, so this story starts when her father bought her and for her two friends, Bess and George, the ticket of SS Great Lake cruise, a lavish cruise where they will go for a weekend. I mean, not a weekend, for 7 days vacation. So before going to SS Great Lake cruise, they went for a shopping. Obviously they are girls, they are fond of shopping. They went for shopping in River Heights, a boutique in River Heights, and there they found a girl named Amber, who is also going to the same cruise, and who is then finding the dress material, and she was confused. Nancy, Bass and George helped her out to choose the dresses from which are the best and all, and then they came to know that she's also going to the same cruise, and then obviously they made friends with them, and then they came to know that Amber has a boyfriend named Craig Oliver who worked in that cruise. So she got the ticket in less price. So after reaching the cruise, they found Amber very much worried, not happy. Then when they asked Amber that what happened, Amber said that Craig is behaving something mysterious. He didn't get any time for Amber. He hardly get any time for Amber, and he never tells Amber that what is happening, what is he is actually doing. Mystery, this word booms in Nancy's mind because she loves mystery. If there is mystery, Nancy is always there. On the other hand, in that cruise, Interpol investigation, that means International Police Organization investigation, is happening in that SS Great Lake cruise. That they are, they are thinking that in that cruise the international diamond smuggler is present. So Nancy got involved with that also. How she get involved, I will not going to tell you, otherwise it will be a great spoiler. I'm not going to tell you that. Nancy involved with this investigation, and then she found the diamond smuggler. It's just awesome. The way she found is awesome. So, and this is the main gist of the story. This book is also a good choice for people like me who try to enter in a new genre like mystery. I'm a totally romance genre person. I used to read too much romance books. So in this lockdown, I got disgusted and I said, I think that I should try something new. So for them, it is also a good choice, I bet you. And for them who are already an immense mystery reader, I mean in Bengali, who read Feluda or Pomkesh, or who read Sherlock Holmes, they can also find too much mystery. They also going to love it. I can say it. I can bet it. So don't miss it. It's a really good book. So if you are feeling interested after hearing the review from me, then what are you waiting for? Please grab it. If you are comfortable with PDFs, you can download PDF, or you can read it through any ebook online platform. You can read it. And if you want paperback, there is many online platform who are selling this paperback. This very well-known book. You can get it everywhere. I'll give the links in the description box, obviously. So it is a book written by Caroline Kinney, and the press is Aladdin Paperbacks, and its price is within 200. For other books, it never over 200. For Danger on the Great Lakes, it's obviously within 200, so it varies with the offer price and all. So check it and then grab it. And that's it for today. Please tell me the thoughts. Please tell me how do you feel after reading this book in the comment section. And you can also mail me your thoughts, that what are you thinking about this book. Is your thinking is matching with me? It's not, I like to know that what you're thinking about this book. So my mail ID is given in the description box also. You can mail me. And please like, share, and please don't forget to subscribe again, I'm telling you, please. So again, in the next week I'll come with a exciting book again. So I think my videos are helping you. If not, then also let me know that. I will obviously correct myself where I'm doing wrong. Help me, keep supporting, and be with me like this. Thank you. Till next video, stay tuned. Ta-ta.